Ever wished you could send notes, files, or reminders to yourself without any hassle? In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to chat with yourself using Telegram Desktop, one seriously handy feature that makes life just a little bit easier. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to save messages, links, and files for personal use, and you'll be able to access them from any device anytime you need. Let's get started. First things first. You'll want to open Telegram Desktop on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, head over to telegram.org and download the app. It only takes a minute. Once it's up and running, double-click the Telegram icon and you'll see your chat list appear right away. This is your digital command center, where all your contacts and conversations are just a click away. Next, we need to find your saved messages chat. This is the magic spot where you can send messages or files to yourself. Look up in the top left corner and you'll notice the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and give that a click. Now when the menu slides out, take a look at the very top. You'll see your profile picture, and just beside it, there's a little bookmark icon that says Saved Messages. Either one will get you to the right place, so just click whichever is easiest for you. Now on to the fun part, chatting with yourself. When you open Saved Messages, you'll see a familiar chat window pop up, but this time it's just you. Here, where you can type out quick reminders, jot down grocery lists, paste useful links, or even send yourself photos and documents. One example, maybe you're researching a trip and you want to save hotel links and screenshots. Just drop them in here, and when you switch to your phone later, it'll all be waiting for you. Or imagine you're working on a group project. Drag and drop files right into this chat, and you'll have instant access from your tablet when you're on the go. Let me quickly explain why this feature is more than just a notepad. Everything you send in saved messages is stored in the cloud, meaning it syncs across all your devices: phone, tablet, desktop. So there's no more worrying about transferring files or losing that important link when you switch devices. It's like having a portable file cabinet and diary rolled into one. Plus, saved messages are always pinned to the very top of your chat list, so pulling up your notes or files is fast with no hunting around. Think of it as a special inbox for your brain where you can toss ideas or tasks whenever they pop up. If you're wondering whether this chat is private, it absolutely is. Only you can see what you save here. Telegram treats it like a personal folder. There's no risk of accidentally sending your grocery list to everyone in your contacts. Take a moment to explore the possibilities. Try sending a photo or drag in a PDF to test it out. Don't worry if your chat looks empty at first. After a few uses, you'll wonder how you lived without it. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to chat with yourself and use Telegram saved messages for notes, files, and more. If you found this tutorial helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips of your own. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.